So basically today we are to do. I think last time we agreed that we're going to do the hinge. So I think
Yes, those hinges.
okay. Then after the hinging, we'll now come back to foundation of this one or that one, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to that one that I gave to you. That let's use that
The
one.
other drawing.
Yes, they are drawing.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Have we done this on this? Checked on beam, Abi, right? We have checked the beams and all that.
Yes, yes, yes. We did this one together.
Okay, so what will happen now? Click on file and then save as. Save this drawing as a new file. Save as. Then you can just put two at the back, and then choose this option. Say copy all projects files. Okay.
Okay, now so I have both of them now.
Yes, exactly. The reason why I saved that
I've
because
always
once we
wa-
apply hinge on this now, it will
it
cancel
will
all.
scatter it.
Yes, all that you have
I've
done.
always wanted to know how to do that.
Okay, that's nice. So right
All
now,
right.
to begin your hinging right now, just as it is during the like in school those days when they'll say moment at every end must be zero.
Yes.
Okay. So the same thing happens here right now. And the reason for that actually, although normally right now, as you're seeing this Protastructure right now, they now assume that
Mm-hmm.
everywhere is fixed. Can you hear
Okay.
me? Okay. So
Yeah, I can hear you.
so let me say by default, this software fixed every end condition to be a fixed end. So right now,
Mm-hmm.
I know what fixed end does. Fixed end um used to increase numbers of reinforcement at the top, because just like if you have a cantilever right now. Okay, let me see a diagram of a cantilever. Share first diagram of a cantilever. Can you hear
Sorry?
me? Yeah, let me see
Yeah, I can hear you.
yeah, let me see a diagram of a cantilever for one beam. Just click on beam and go to that beam session design.
Oh, like this one now.
Yes, like that one. Then let me see the diagram of it. Okay, now on this first area here where you have cantilever end, you can see that we have a top this in the moment there.
Yes.
So basically, that is how this software Protastructure takes every bin end to like, because when you have a fixed end, automatically at that fixed end area, it gives you a higher top moment
Reinforcement.
moment here, which will also give
A
you
moment,
yeah,
sorry.
which will also give you a top
Higher
yes,
reinforcement.
higher reinforcement at the top. Okay, now just say cancel and then go back. So, but basically, normally every bin end that is not a cantilever is meant to be hinge. That means that place should be zero. Moment there should be zero. So with that now, we have to
Okay.
apply these things. And also, the reason why that is also very, very important is because, you know, if you're if you have a higher top moment, let me say where it's meant to carry zero reinforcement, and you're giving that it to have a reinforcement, invariably the cost of your design will be very, very high. You
Very
understand?
high.
Compared to someone that now applied hinge at the end, which is, let me say, if you're meant to have four numbers or bars at the top, that person that now applied hinge is now having two numbers at the top, of which both of the structures they are still stable. So that person is now having a lesser cost for the building, which will likely the person
Yeah.
will like win the contract. Okay, so right now, at every end of beam, what they mean by end of beam simply means that, like at this column 9, you can see that at this column 9, zoom out that place, let me see, zoom out, let me see, zoom out, let me see. Hello, are you there? Sorry, zoom in, let me see, zoom in, let me see, zoom in.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir.
okay, yeah.
Okay.
So zoom in, let me see. Zoom in that column 9, let me see.
Okay. Something was playing on my headphone.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, now at this
This
column,
is 9.
yeah, at this column 9 now, you can see that this beam 12
Yeah.
and this beam 16 has an end at this column 9. That means that beam 12 and the beam
Yes.
and beam 16 does not continue after that column 9. So at that place
After
right now,
this.
yes,
Yeah.
so at that place right now, that is an end condition. So right now, the end condition of beam 12 and beam 16 is meant to be a hinge end, because that is the end of those beams. So with that right now, you now click. So let us hinge the end of beam 12 right now. Click on the beam 12, right click and say apply end condition.